0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Today I'm going to be putting some new heads on BNC cables because I'm prepping a show right now, and just good to get these cables. A lot of them are old, they've been through a lot, and just want to put some new heads on them and make sure they're nice and clean for the run of the show because it's a long run. So here we go, let's get into it. These are the tools I used. I put the link in the description for each tool. The BNC is King's, and it's a Winchester electronic company. These have been through a lot of shows, so it's better just to start off fresh. Come down here, cut it all the way off. I think you want to probably go right here. Careful. Okay, there you go. Looks like toilet paper's on it, but it's not. I could probably take off a little more actually. Not bad. Strippers here, see the way it looks? The cable needs to go through it that way, otherwise you're gonna mess your cable up.
So we put there's also two sides. One of them is kind of wider, the other one is not. And I usually use the wide side because it's gonna push everything back.
Okay.
Put that on. Stripper. Really like just a little bit out.
Very
right?
good.
And then we go 1, 2, 3 turns. Stop, take it out, spin out, spin out, spin out. See how it cleanly came out? Cut that out. And the reason it came out clean because I didn't take the shield off. I'm gonna keep spinning this so it stays in one piece because that's pretty important. And then this guy, I'll just push it out like this. No pressure. No pressure on the snip. And it just falls off. Right? I'll take a head. Because you have the other ones. Or just give me the one here. There's the pin. Just pin it.
It was in my mouth, but then I figured I'd just put it somewhere where it's not gonna fall.
Okay, no Corona. See that? Put that on there, right? And you see how close that is?
Yeah.
It's not sitting up. It's sitting just a little high where I'm okay to let it fly, but usually you know what? No, I'm not okay. I'll just cut it off. Cut off just a little bit on this tip, right there. Spin. Just like needed. Put that on it. Crimper. I'm gonna use number 1. That little hole, the first one.
Okay.
All lay this on that, close it a little bit, put it in there, go all the way down, right? You see it?
Mm-hmm.
And just crimp that. That's crimped.
Okay.
See how it's crimped now?
Mhm.
It's not gonna come off. And
So
do
you
a
just
little
put it.
taut tape.
You put that
like
whole
this.
thing in, and just you crimp that part, right?
Yeah, signal.
Mm-hmm.
This is your ground.
Okay.
That's still here. Ooh, don't pull it off. That's still here.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to be really perfect, you cut a little of those axes off so it doesn't bleed out.
Okay.
And then you take the head, put the head in it. It's gonna come out from here and kind of push it in
Okay.
all the way. And you see that head? That's the connection. That's your video.
Mm-hmm.
If that's short, where it happens, people don't put it in all the way. That doesn't push out, so it doesn't make the connection, so you don't have signal.
Okay.
Okay. This on it, nice and clean, and you just crimp it. 178. Crimp, let go. I crimp twice. I crimp the bottom too. And you do a little top test, turn test.
And that's how you repair or fix BNC cables. I'll see you guys on the next video.